I don't know what's going on. I mean, I texted her upstairs. I didn't get a response back yet. But this is coming from upstairs. And my microwave just got wet. It's leaking over here as well. Yeah, it's crazy. The whole damn ceiling is leaking. Shit. And it's like non-stop. Hold on, baby. More spots just keep leaking. I had to move my microwave, which got wet. This is about to cave in. It's leaking over there as well. And also up there. Shit. So, I'm knocking the door upstairs. Nobody don't seem to be home. Yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. I'm mopping. I'm trying to keep it, but it's not. It's constantly going. And now it's wrecking over here on top of my deep freezer. Are you kidding me? I don't know. No one's home, but I can't get anyone. I called her. I'm not getting anyone. It's leaking. God, you fucking kidding me? Shit. It's leaking all in here. At this point, I have my garbage can going, but the water is not stopping. I did get somebody upstairs. She said someone had left the seat going, but like the ceiling is about to cave in. I don't know. So there's nothing I can do right now but wait until I guess it stops, but it's still coming down. It's about to fall down. I'm not sure if you can, well, this area here and that one. It's just the paint really pretty much holding it up.
Welcome back, guys. Landlord Chronicles. So what I just played to you was a video of a situation that I had recently in one of my buildings. The first floor tenant, the one who actually shot the videos, she called me. She sent me multiple videos at 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, letting me know her situation, that it's pretty much raining in her kitchen and everything is coming from the second floor tenant's kitchen. Apparently the water was left on overnight in the kitchen sink, and for whatever way it happened, it eventually ended up on the floor and eventually ended up showering down into the first floor tenant's apartment. So put yourself in my shoes. Let's say ultimately this happened to you. You know, you're the investment property owner, you're the landlord. What would you do? What would you say to the first floor tenant? What would you say to the second floor tenant? How would you resolve the situation? Let me know.